There is new hope when it comes to reviving a state office that would assess how the pandemic unequally affected communities based on factors like color and wealth. According to the Centers for Disease Control, COVID-19 cases are more than twice as high for Hispanics and black people. Deaths among black people are twice as high nationwide. Some lawmakers believe a state office could help tackle those disparities and save lives. We first told you last November about how the office was defunded. Since then, State Representative Garnet Coleman from Houston filed a bill to reinstate the office. This week, the legislation was referred to the Public Health Committee, which he sits on. Money has been the #1 concern, especially in this financially lean session. But Coleman tells us that problem may be solved. Coleman says the funding should be coming from the $1.9 trillion federal COVID relief bill. That means Texas would not have to dip into its general fund to bring the office back. The office had a long and complicated name before. Coleman wants to rename it Office for Health Equity. The employees would work under the Texas Health and Human Services Commission and come up with programs and strategies to address health disparities related to race, ethnicity, culture, socioeconomic status, gender, age, language, and region. Coleman's bill says the first order of business needs to be creating a comprehensive report on the disproportionate impact COVID has on different communities.
This isn't just about an illness, it's about how we prevent illnesses. How do we go out and protect the public before something happens as opposed to after something happens? And that's what I hope that this bill and other bills like it are pushing forward across the country.
The Public Health Committee will listen to testimony on the bill next Wednesday. If Coleman's bill gets voted out of committee, it will move to the Calendars Committee and then go to the House floor for an up or down vote. Thank you again for joining us on State of Texas. I'm Wes Rappaport. We'll be back next week to bring you an in-depth look at Texas politics.